Hey beauties, my name is Chanel. Today I'll be showing you guys up exactly how I style this gorgeous baddie, this everyday wig, and it's super easy, y'all. Super easy. So if you are one that loves a super easy to go wig, like an everyday wig, then go ahead and keep on watching, because today I'll be telling you guys specs and deets about this baddie and showing you guys how I style it. Also be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button, of course, so you don't miss out on any videos like these. So jumping straight into it, sis. This gorgeous wig is by Ishow Hair, and I'll go ahead and list all the details about where you can go ahead and get it down below in the description bar, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Alright you guys, so this is exactly how I styled this baddie. It was super easy for me to style. Like, you can either style it straight, and also you can rock it in the wavy type of hair type look, you know what I mean? So I love the straight look just because Ishow Hair do have great quality hair. So I literally wake up and I don't have to straighten this hair every single time. So I simply love it just for that, and that's why a lot of the times a lot of my everyday wigs are straight hair, you know what I mean? Because I really don't have to do much. I don't have to do like curl activating or nothing like that. And then again, it has to be like great quality hair, and which Ishow Hair do have great quality hair. I just wish this baddie was just a little fuller, just for me, just for my liking. Anyways guys, go ahead and pick up yours. She's definitely one that I would recommend to assist one to a friend, so go ahead and pick up yours if you want to go ahead and slay. Ishow Hair did super amazing on this baddie right here. Like I said, you guys, the links would be down below, as well as all the details that I listed in this video will be also listed down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, you guys, till next time.